Okay, so actually we are having Mr. Casto from the KNX Association for the 5th KNX Tutor course in China, happened in GBS. So we have invited the tutor of the tutors to here and have a short conversation about the KNX and the future. So our first question is that what is the purpose of a KNX tutor course when it's supported by the association? You know, there are other specific KNX training centers, but
Yes.
when it's a tutor sent from KNX Association to certain training center, what's the purpose of that?
Yeah, we look at the from KNX International, KNX Association International, we look at the situation of the market. And then, in particular, this year in China, we've seen that it is very important for us to give a push to the training in China because we want to invest more efforts and more activities here in China. So we need to develop the trainings in the country, and therefore we support. In this case, we support you, GBS, in organizing together with you this KNX tutor course so that we can train teachers for them to open their own training centers and then start teaching KNX around the country.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea to expand the KNX training forces globally, I guess.
Globally.
Yeah, and the second question is that what advices do you have for the new generation of KNX tutors?
So we made an evaluation and analysis of the situation in China, and the market in China, the KNX market in China is growing up. So we see the figures, how they really are taking off the ground. It's a great opportunity for them to start setting up their own KNX training center, to start doing their own courses and be the trainers so that they will create, eventually they are creating the foundation of the network of professionals in the country. For us, they are very important. We will always be coordinating communication with them so that they always get the newest documentation and they can train with the newest updates on KNX to the KNX community in China.
Okay, yeah, that's also a good idea. And here comes the third question. We have also attended some KNX IoT event before, and we would like to know if there's any new developments or breakthroughs in the KNX IoT technology.
Since we launched KNX IoT, we have been promoting it, of course, so we need to make sure that everybody understands that KNX IoT is an extension of the KNX technology, so that our ecosystem now has become a bigger ecosystem where new type of devices and solutions that can be part of the KNX ecosystem, and this can be done also in an easier way. So since the launch, we already seen and we have been promoting at different events new KNX IoT products using both possibilities, using point API and using third-party API. And there are new products already available on the market that they can be used in KNX projects. And this is just the start. So we know that our members are already working in the KNX IoT devices, and it has also, additionally, has opened a new door, which is a door to startups. Startup companies that they have small portfolio devices, one or few products in the smart home industry. Now they have the possibility, and they are looking at us, at our technology, to integrate KNX IoT into their products, because for them it's very easy. KNX IoT is an open source stack technology, so they can start using it, they can implement it, they can test it, and we are giving support to these startups. So we are helping them to become part of the KNX ecosystem as well.
Yeah, and I think that's a pretty good idea to, not only expand KNX connections with, relevantly lighter smart home solutions, say wireless, right? And also a very good thing for the starters, which means that they can be easier for them to get connected to KNX and get their system or products merged and being used by KNX peoples. Yeah, okay, so here comes the last question. So what is your view on the current status and the prospects of the KNX global KNX development?
Yeah, that's a good question. So we are currently already working on setting up the future of KNX, right? And then we don't have to wait until the future to come. So for us, the future is to build, thanks to KNX, to build a more sustainable world. And that's what with a technology like KNX you can create. So we already today, we set up the possibilities for our market, our industry, to be able to reach to this end. So we offer full connectivity, full integration, easy integration of devices into one ecosystem. So from all the traditional devices using any possible medium to communicate to the today IoT possibility to communicate, and everything it will be, and it is today possible, integrated into one system. And that is giving a lot of opportunities to professionals for their businesses, which is new business possibilities. We also want to have a future that is secure, and for that we already developed KNX Secure for devices, and we also have KNX IoT that brings security by design. So that's all, we already have the solution ready, which is a secure solution to guarantee the access to the unauthorized access to KNX installations by people that they should not enter, they should not connect to it. And of course, for us, it's a big must now to support our community of professionals so that they will be prepared and skilled in energy management applications, so that they can use the KNX energy management that we have defined for the future sustainable projects based on KNX. So using these three pillars, we are sure that our technology is actually just a technology, but it's a brand with a purpose. That is what it counts in the long run.
Yeah, that's a very good answer. And the last but not leastly, do you have any word to the KNX audiences in front of this camera to say something about the KNX to them?
Yes, so it's now is the right time and it's the right opportunity to join the KNX community. There are many possibilities to join, from professionals to do projects, from schools to start teaching in KNX, from members to manufacture products, startups also to offer new solutions, more innovative solutions with IoT, and join us. So choose your medium or your idea, your profile, and join us. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you.
So thank you very much, Casto, and I wish you great success in the KNX tutoring, and I wish all the participants will get a pass.
I'm sure they will. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.